So this is one of the software I promote on one of my affiliate blog, and I'm going to log in now and show you how much I've been able to make from this single software, even when I don't have much traffic visiting my blog. So I'm going to log in now, then show you how much I've been able to generate with this single software. So I'm going to click on login. So once I log in, I'm going to click on Starxy so I can show you the exact income I've been able to make by promoting this single software. So as you can see over here, I've been able to make over $46,000 and my pending payment is over $1,000.
Hello guys, this is Olusola David. Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be walking you through how you can set up a simple blog that makes money with affiliate period, and this is irrespective of the traffic you are getting to the site. So even with less than 1,000 traffic, you can still make money with a simple blog that is monetized with affiliate period. All right, so this is what I've been doing for a while, and I've been able to make good income from this business product. So I'm going to be walking you through how exactly I've been able to do this and how I've been able to make money in the process. By the way, I have a short presentation on how me and my partner launched a simple blog that generates over $200,000. All right, so if you're interested in this presentation, I'm going to add a link at the description of the video. Just go to the description of the video, watch the video, and see exactly how you can take advantage of this. So for you to make money with this unique method, the first thing that you want to do is to set up a blog for yourself. So you need to have a blog. If you don't have a blog already, you need to set up a blog that is ready to publish content. So for those that don't know how to create a blog, I did a video on how to set up a blog from scratch. So I'm going to add a link to the video somewhere around it, so you can just watch the video and see how you can set up your own personal blog. So once you have your blog and you are ready to create content on this blog, the next thing you want to do now is to look out for a niche. But for the sake of this video, we're going to be going with software products. Now, the reason I'm going with software products is because it gives you the opportunity to make monthly recurring income from whichever customer that purchased the product via your affiliate link. But once you have a good paid affiliate software, whenever you are able to generate your customer to that product, you keep making affiliate income month after month from this single customer. All right, so the next thing we're going to do now is to look for this affiliate products that we're going to be using to monetize our blog.
So the name of the website I use in finding some of this affiliate product is g2.com. So this is a big review website that review affiliate softwares. So what you want to do is you want to go over to G2, then come over to the software section here. So when you come over to the software section here, you're going to see that there are several products in different niches. So we have several products under sales, we have marketing, we have analytics, we have collaboration and productivity, we have customer services, we have data privacy, and several other niches inside this website. So what you want to do is you can just come over here, then click on sales if you want, then click on sales if you are looking for affiliate product around sales, or if you are looking for affiliate product around marketing. All you simply need to do is just come over here, then click on marketing. And if you want to go with services, you can just come over here, then look at the sub niches they have here. So we have business services, we have ecosystem service provider, we have marketing services, we have other services, we have translation services. So if I click on translation services, I'm going to show you we're going to see the list of products they have under this category. So as you can see now, these are the list of products they have under this category. So the name of this product is 3Play Media. So if you scroll down again, you're going to see another one, which is Sync Words. So look at that again, you're going to see we have another Adobe Closed Captioning. So we have Wordly AI powered interpretation. So what you want to do is you want to open up this product, because what we're actually going to be doing is we're going to be going over to the website, then check if they have an affiliate program. So once you go over the products, the next thing you want to do is you want to go over to the website, or look a way to get the link to the website so we can visit the website. All right, so this is the link to the website. So I'm going to click on the link, then open it on another tab so we can actually learn more about the product. All right, so this is the product. So what we want to look for now is if they have an affiliate program. All right, so just scroll down. So once you scroll down, then come to here. So as you can see, they have a partner program. So all you simply need to do is click on this partner program, then create an account with them. So once you create an account with them, the next thing you want to do is you want to go over to Google, then check if there is a review for this product already. So if there is no review for this product already, what you want to do is you want to create a review for this product, then add your affiliate link on it. So the best thing I usually do is I look for products that are new. You know, when these products are new, chances are there won't be any review for this product already, and the traffic for this software is going to be low because they are new products. So it's better for you to be a big fish inside a small pool than rather be a small fish inside a big pool. So once I create a review for this product, even when the traffic for this product is going to increase in the nearest future, you'll be the first person to start ranking for the review keyword of the product. So this is one of the method I've been using to generate affiliate income from this software product. So what I want to do now is come here, then search for the name of the product we want to promote. So the name of the product is Wordly AI Power Translation. So you can just come here, then search for Wordly AI Power Translation. All right, so as you can see, the product is relatively new because the monthly searches for this product is still 0. All right, so what you want to do is you want to scroll down, then look for the website that have created content around this product. All right, so obviously this is G2, which was the website we used in finding the product in the first place. So you want to scroll down again, so you want to check. So this is a news website. All right, so you can see create content and rank website like this. All right, so this is another one. So there is no particular blog creating review for this product. So in your own case, since your blog is still a new blog, what you want to do is you want to create a review for this product, then add your affiliate links. So when people search for this product, because normally when people want to use a product, they'll first search for the review for the product before they actually purchase the product. So if your review is what they are saying, they can actually buy the product through your affiliate link you inserted in the review. So this is what I've been doing. I've been able to generate massive affiliate commission from all of them. All right, so this is basically how you can set up a blog that is monetized with affiliate products, then make monthly recurring affiliate commission from them. All right, so if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are yet to subscribe to the YouTube channel, please subscribe so you can get more videos like this. All right, so thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.